So I finished, just got finished the class at Richard Lawson's studio. Yeah, for real, that man is phenomenal. He is phenomenal. It was more of a workshop, right? And so people can be exposed to the teaching methods, and if you want to actually take classes there, you can sign, not just sign up, but certain process you have to go through. But anyway, so encouraging, so like uplifting. Yeah, it just had me thinking, like, I really think that yeah, it has me thinking. I'm not going to even go there right now, but it was amazing. Like, amazing. It was just so good. He's very good at what he does. So hopefully in the future, soon future, I'd like to take some class there. It was just more than just the acting part. It was very inspirational, something I feel like I needed right now. Very just like it spoke to my spirit. His method of, what he was saying, and what others in the class, what they were saying also. It was just really good. So it was good. Great experience. I said I was going to follow up. It's really good. And, I'm in New Jersey, so clearly I'm not going to LA, right? Like tomorrow. So it's like online classes. But it was wonderful. I just wanted to say that. Bye.